In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious strawberry cheese puff pastry recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need puff pastry sheets, cream cheese, strawberry pie filling, 1 egg, and powdered sugar. We're going to take the puff pastry out of the box. Use a pizza cutter to cut the puff pastry sheet into equal-sized strips and then cut into equal-sized squares. Spread a small amount of cream cheese onto the puff pastry square. Now we're going to add a small amount of the strawberry filling on top of the cream cheese. Fold the puff pastry square in half and use a fork to seal the edges. Place the pastries on a baking sheet. Use a brush to brush egg wash on top of each of the pastries. Use a toothpick to create holes on the top of each of the pastries. Bake this in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once out of the oven and the puff pastries are completely cooled, sprinkle them with powdered sugar. Our strawberry cheesy puff pastries are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.